Hi. So I got these at the farmers market, but I waited too long and they got ripe so fast. So they have this kind of reddish hue, and they're quite interesting, so I wanted to try it. And I cut the rest and I just put them here. So I'm gonna slice these up and put it into the freezer, because the vendor I bought it from said that you could fry them like you would plantain, or yeah, you could just eat them like a banana. So let's try it. Let me just cut off the tip and then peel it. Because it started to get a little bit soft. Yeah, you can see getting a little soft for there. So I'm gonna cut off the soft part, because really good. And this is called Mataburro banana, and is commonly found in Trinidad and Tobago and the Caribbean, apparently. Really good. It's really good. I don't know how come I never got this before. It's really good. And when I first got it, I'll put a video somewhere here so you can see when I bought it at the farmers market. It was really nice and firm and very interesting looking. So it was reddish. So according to Gemini, it could be either brown or reddish in color. And well, this one is reddish in color. That's what kind of caught my eye. And it tastes really good. So try this. So maybe in my next video I'll fry it like how you'll do fried plantain, and then you'll know how it tastes. But I'm gonna actually cut all these up because they started to get ripe. You see, they started to get so ripe, and I'm like, oh my god. In fact, ants started attacking them. I don't even know where these ants come from. So I'm just gonna slice them up and put them in the freezer. Okay, bye guys. And in fact, before I go, I probably should ask if you all have any recipes you all use this for, or if you all have them a different way. Then comment down below and let me know, you know, what you use Mataburro for, like any special recipes, or you just buy it and eat it like you would eat a fruit, peel it and eat it, or fry it, or you put it in a recipe. Let me know, because this is my first time having Mataburro. Okay, bye guys. That's it. Mataburro.